Unlock precision and durability in your diamond art projects with the ForeverYoung stainless steel tip pen set. This premium set includes 3 specialized tips, a 1 drill tip for intricate details, a 4 drill tip for balanced coverage, and 8 drill tip for efficient vault placement. The stainless steel construction ensures exceptional durability, resisting bending or breaking even during extended use. After picking up the wax, press it firmly onto a flat surface for best performance. The ultra-thin design minimizes interference with adjacent diamonds, preserving your meticulously ranged patterns. Shape stability is guaranteed. The tip retains its form session after session, ideal for marathon crafting sessions. Precision-engineered weight distribution ensures steady control and pinpoint accuracy for every diamond placement. The 3 tips come with a comfortable handle that improves grip and reduces hand fatigue during prolonged sessions. Both straight and angled heads fit pen tips. Whether you're tackling intricate color patterns with single-point diamonds or covering large areas with a seamless blend, this set delivers the perfect tool for every stage of your diamond painting masterpiece. You're no longer a beginner. You deserve better tools.